Hi sir, this is my progress of my UI UX e-commerce prototype. So, first, ang papakita ko po is yung web on the admin side. So, prototype po natin. So, here po, we have the login panel. So, and sa login button, naggamit ako ng hover state and most of the time is hover state ang ginagamit ko. So, login tayo. And once we log in is mapapakita naman yung admin panel natin. So, sa sidebar naman natin, we can see the dashboard, products, orders, customers, reports, setting, and yung support. So, sa dashboard natin, makikita natin yung sales overview, yung inventory alerts, best-selling products, and we also have a sales chart. So, sa products naman natin, meron tayong button to add new product and a filter. Then, ito yung list natin. Gumamit ako dito ng vertical para makita yung iba pang product. So, we have four product. So, ang gagawin ko is delete ko tong nating macadamia. So, delete natin to. So, delete. Then, yun. Na-delete na siya. So, after ma-delete natin, and pwede tayong pumunta sa customer. And meron din tayong pending, ship, and cancel button para ma-list ay ma-filter kung ano yung gusto mong makita. So, mostly dito is pending na orders. So, view natin tong order na to. So, orders hashtag 112 and the customer information kung sino na nag-order and items. And yung actions niya, pwede natin mark as ship and also a refund. So, cancel muna natin yan. And sa customers naman tayo, we have a search bar and sa mga customers naman, gumamit ulit ako ng vertical dito and repeat grid. Isang beses lang ata. So, we have, parang nakikita natin tong customer na to, then we can view and lalabas yung parang profile ng customer. So, meron dito yung profile picture, the name, yung email, yung total orders, yung total spent. So, next is yung sa report chart naman natin. We have the sales report and traffic insights. So, yung settings naman natin is we have for the account information, the payment setup, the tax configuration, and the notification preferences. So, last is the support, and we have the Fox on the guide on how to add products and guide on order management. And sa contact support, we have also live chat and send email. So, ito lang yung nilalaman niya. So, log out muna tayo. Log out. Then, log out na tayo. So, nakabalik na tayo sa login panel. So, next po naman is yung sa may web ng user. So, this is the web user. So, ito yung homepage niya. Then, we have the product. And we have the wish list. We have the cart. And meron yung user information nung user. So, yun lang yung nilalaman nito. Then, next is yung ating sa may mobile naman on the user side. So, prototype natin ulit. We have the register panel. So, register tayo. Then, once register, log in. So, ito pa rin. Ito yung homepage natin. We have the product naman dito. So, makita dito yung mga products, the wish list, and yung cart. So, mostly, it's the same function naman. Parang magkaiba lang siya ng layout. Isa web and yung isa is mobile. So, next, last but not the least is yung sa admin pero mobile version. So, ito yung dashboard niya. So, makikita natin yung today's overview. We have the total sales, orders, and revenue. We have the low stock information, the best seller, and the pending task, and also yung sales trend. So, next is, and if hindi napapansin, gumamit ako ng mga hover dito sa ating footer. dahil mas maganda dahil on mobile mostly naman nasa footer yung mga buttons natin. So, sa product naman natin, we have a filter on all, live, draft, and out. So, pwede nating ma-filter yung mga product na kung anong meron. So, add muna tayo ng product. So, sa add product, meron tayong product name, the price, and the stock quantity, and also the status kung live ba, or draft, or out yung ilalagay mo. So, pwede ka din mag-upload dito ng image pwede mo, para may picture yung product mo, kumbaga. So, after neto, i-publish na natin yung product. Then, added successfully siya. So, close natin. So, yung kaninang dalawang product is naging tatlo na. So, susunod naman is yung sa orders naman tayo. Yung filter naman niya is all, pending, ship, and delivered. So, ito yung mga orders. So, next is yung customers naman. So, meron tayong 3 customers. We have the Marian Lacbao, Ken Soriana, and Oliver Tabobo. So, kung gusto mong i-view profile yung mga customers, pwede mong gawin. Pindutin mo lang itong button na to. Then, pwede ka nang pumunta sa profile nila. And yung profile panel is naglalaman siya ng profile picture, the name of the customer, the email, the cellphone number, the address, and the purchase summary, and also yung recent order niya. So, back tayo dyan. Next natin yung analytics naman natin na panel. And makikita dito yung period and yung month nung revenue overview mo. And also, gaya ng sa dashboard natin, makikita din dito yung top product natin and yung traffic source, which is 65% sa web natin and 35% sa ating mobile. And also, we have a refund. The total of 1,250, 3 orders siya na refund. So, next is, dito naman sa settings natin, we have the account information, the payment config, the tax settings, the notification, and the logout button. And dito naman, itong question mark naman natin is yung para sa help and support. So, yung sa help and support naman na panel natin, we have the facts, getting started, or order issues, payment help, ng mga guide. And sa guides naman natin is view online guides. And last, for the contact support is we have also a live chat and email us. So, balik tayo dito sa dashboard. And yun lang. Yun lang yung nagawa natin. So, that's my progress on my e-commerce UI UX prototype. Thank you, sir.